Hello and warmly welcome to Scamper Tutorials and hope you are doing great. Alright, in this tutorials we are going to look at how to get files from hard drive. Alright, so along the way you may purchase a new computer or a new laptop, and you may want to move the files from the old one onto the new one, and sometimes you may find things to be difficult. But inside these tutorials, we are going to look at how to solve that issue. So without much ado, let's get started. What you are going to do is I'm going to open this PC, and I will enlarge it. So this is the hard drive, okay? Hard drive. All right, so I will make sure I open this hard drive and go to user, okay? I go to user. So when you go to user, then you go to user again. So I'm going to double tap on it, so double click to show this. You can use this section to continue and get in there, but for the sake of tutorials I'm going to cut this and proceed with a new method. So just right click. When you right click, you go to properties, okay? Let's locate properties. All right, so right after locating properties, just go to security. All right, so we have security over there. Then you go to advanced, okay? Right after locating security, just go to advanced, okay? Just go to advanced. Just go to advanced. All right, so after going to advanced, sometimes it won't appear this way, but just tap on continue if it appears in this fold, okay? If it appears in this fold, just tap on continue. But in other way around, some people are going to get it in a form of this, okay? In a form of this straight away, okay? Straight away. But when you are done with this process, we are going to enable inheritance. So just come down and tap on enable inheritance. Right after tapping on enable inheritance, you tap on OK. You tap on OK. All right, so things like this will appear, but just tap on continue. Okay, we are moving it, and it depends on the storage of the drive. Okay, that will makes it keeps long. But if there is nothing much on it, or if it doesn't entails much, it's not going to keep long. So let's wait as we get these things done. Okay, let's wait as we get this thing done. But before then, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. All right, so let's tap on continue. Always tap on continue when things like this uh pops up. Okay, when things like that pops up, so continue again. Let's tap on continue, 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 continue. So let's just be pressing continue once we receive things like that. Okay, we receive things like that. So this channel, let me take this opportunity to talk something small about this channel. This channel is made to educate people on tech issues and other issues. So let's get this. When you get to an instance, or when it's about to end, you must tap continue for several times. So you see the operation is going on. Continue, continue, continue. So as I was saying, for tech, and you will love it. So we are done. Just tap on OK. Just tap on OK. So please subscribe. Now let's tap on user again. Double click on the user. So once you see, when I open the user, you see I'm now able to access everything. So let's go to video, working on it. All right, so you see I've been able to access some of my videos here. Okay, I've been able to access some of my videos here. All right, so I will go back and go to, let's say, music. Let's say music. All right, so when I open music too, I think I was having one music over there. So here is it. All right, so here is it. So let's go back, and I was having some apps on desktop. So let's check from desktop to, oh wow, wow, wow. So boom, boom. I was having a game, FIFA 2017. There it is. PS 2017. There it is. All right, so I was having many apps on it, and you could attest, and many slides too, and many presentations on it. So this is briefly how to locate and get access to your files. Okay, how to get access to your files on hard drive. So thank you guys for coming through, and if this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting video. My name is Richard Jan, and I will be happy to meet you in the next video. I'm out.